Today we are making truly unique, creamy and silky black pepper mutton kadhai. This dish blends the sharp heat of black pepper, the softness of cream and the depth of Indian spices to create a taste too rich and delicious that both kids and adults are going to absolutely love it. Not only does this recipe look amazing, but every bite is full of flavor and satisfaction. If you are a mutton lover and want to try something new, this dish is perfect choice for you. So let's not wait anymore and start this special creamy black pepper mutton kadhai recipe. First, we will boil the mutton. Take pressure cooker and add 50 ml of oil. Now I have taken 3 medium-sized onions, finely sliced. Add those to the cooker. Next, we will add whole spices. In a whole spices, it's 1 bay leaf, a big piece of cinnamon, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, half teaspoon sahzira, half teaspoon regular cumin seeds, and 5 green cardamoms. Saute the onions and spices in the oil for about 1 minute, stirring continuously until the onion becomes translucent. Once the onions are ready, add 500 gram bone-in mutton. You can also use boneless if you prefer. Also add salt to taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon green masala paste made from green chili, garlic and fresh coriander. Mix everything well and saute for a minute on medium flame. Now add half a glass of water. Mix again and close the lid and pressure cook on medium-high flame for 5 to 6 whistles. After cooking for 5 to 6 whistles, you can see that there is no water remaining. And your mutton should be perfectly tender and cooked with all water absorbed. Set this aside for later. Now we will prepare a creamy gravy. Take a kadhai and heat 2 tablespoons of oil. As the oil heats, add half tablespoon crushed ginger and half tablespoon crushed garlic. We will saute ginger garlic well in oil while stirring continuously for about 1 minute here. Fry it until the brown spots on them. So for frying for about 1 minute, here this ginger and garlic have also become fried and it's also little golden. So now we will add cashew, curd and chili paste. So here we will take 7 to 8 cashews and take 3 to 4 green chilies finely cut. Transfer them to a mixture grinder as well as we will add half a cup of curd. After adding curd, we will grind all 3 things well and prepare such a fine paste. Now add this paste to this pan. Now we will add some dry spices. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon white spicy masala powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half tablespoon coriander powder. After adding all these spices, here we have to slow the stove's flame completely and we have to fry all the spices stirring continuously. Fry this cashew paste on slow flame for about 1 minute. If you don't have white spicy masala powder, then you can also add white pepper powder instead. Here we need to continuously stir and roast the masala carefully so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadhai. Because we have added ground cashew paste, when cashews are roasted like this without any water, they tend to stick to the bottom very quickly. So make sure to keep this in mind and stir it continuously while cooking. So after roasting all of this for about 1 minute, now we will add the mutton that we had boiled earlier. Along with it we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper. Now according how much gravy you want, add water. This gravy is not supposed to be too thin. We want it thick and creamy. So we will add about half a glass of water here. After adding the water, mix everything really well. Once mixed, cover the kadhai and let the mutton cook in the gravy on low flame for about 10 minutes. After cooking covered for about 10 minutes, you will see that the extra water has evaporated and the mutton is now ready with the rich, creamy and smooth gravy. To further enhance the flavor of this gravy, now we will add 1 tablespoon of butter, 4 to 5 medium spicy green chilies split in half and about half a tablespoon of red chili flakes. Give everything one final good mix. Lastly, for garnishing, sprinkle some crushed black pepper, finely chopped coriander leaves, and drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream on top. And there you have it, your super creamy, silky, and spicy black pepper mutton kadhai is ready. Its rich texture, bold black pepper flavor, and melt in mouth mutton come together to create the ultimate crowd pleaser. Serve it hot with butter naan, lachha paratha, or even steamed rice. And trust me, every bite will feel like a royal treat. If you loved this recipe, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely share this with your foodie friends. See you next time with another delicious and flavorful recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay tasty.